G'day, if you're like me and you've updated to OneUI 8 and now I've got this constantly coming up. Now brief. I don't want it, I don't need it. Why is it here? Well, how do we get rid of it? So what I've done is I've swiped down from the top and that has now brought up this menu. I want to go into settings. And when I'm in settings, I'm going to tap on search and I'm going to type in now. Here we go, now brief. Get a personalized brief with suggested content that changes. No thank you. The only thing that I really want coming up is my media, maybe my maps. Really not much else. So yeah, go away. Stop invading me, leave me alone. Hope that helps you. And if I go back to my lock screen now, we are gone. We are good. Hope that helps. See you later. Bye.